Today on Shraddhanjali Vikram, I want to pay my humble tribute to James Horner, the Oscar winning Titanic composer who died at just 61 in a plane crash. And this happened in Southern California. He was a prolific film composer who scored the soundtrack for films like Aliens, Avatar, Braveheart, and A Beautiful Mind. And he was piloting his single engine plane. And this is James Horner. So tragic, so tragic, and just goes to show the fickle nature of life. It's so unpredictable. Anytime anything can happen, and anytime it can be time up. That's how life is. So that's why I always stress that live every moment to the fullest. And here you go, James Horner, the Oscar winning composer of Titanic, has died age 61 in a plane crash in Southern California. It was a single engine plane registered to him, and it's believed that he had plenty of such planes. So it was obviously his passion. The plane was a S312 Tucano Mk1 turboprop. It had two seats, and as it says, no one else was on board, so which means it was only him. And the way I look at it, probably destiny had it. It was in his fate. That's how I would put it. He was born in Los Angeles in 1953. I just want to say that I have such beautiful memories. Titanic, I was a school kid that time, and it was such a path-breaking movie at that time, and so much excitement. Even in my part of the world, it did so phenomenally well. No other Hollywood film close came anywhere near to Titanic in terms of box office performance. It was unprecedented, and to a very big extent, the score by James Horner played a very big part. So once again, my humble tribute to James Horner, Oscar-winning Titanic composer who's died today at age 61. Thank you.